Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. Dear children, today we are going to learn about another new topic, place in the neighborhood. Lesson number 13, place in the neighborhood. Shall we start the lesson? Okay children. Open your textbook, page number 82. Places in the neighborhood. First we go to warm up. Observe your book. Warm up. Help Aditya spot different places around his house. Write their names in the blanks given below. Here is given one image. Look at this picture, children. Here is a boy. His name is Aditya. What is his name? His name is Aditya. What he is doing there? He observed some places around his house. Isn't it? He observed some places around his house. What are that places you identified and write here? Okay. You observe correctly. Okay. Look here, children. Here is a board. Hospital. Isn't it? This building is hospital. This is an hospital. Here is an ambulance. Isn't it? This building is hospital. Got it, children? Next. Here is school. This building is school. Next. Here is one building. This is a post office. This is an post office. Got it, children? Now you take your pencil and write here. First one is hospital. 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 Next, school. 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 Got it? Next, post office. This building is post office, isn't it? So write here P-O-S-T, post, O-F-F-I-C-E, office. Write neatly and correctly, children. Okay, children. Now we go to topic. Neighborhood. 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 The area around our house is our neighborhood. People who live in our neighborhood are our neighbors. Let us learn about different places in our neighborhood. Places in the neighborhood. There are many places in our neighborhood. These places are open and accessible to public. So they are also called public places. Dear children, first we learn about neighborhood. What is neighborhood? Neighborhood means any area near or around our house. What is neighborhood? Neighborhood means any area or any place near or around our house is known as neighborhood. Got it, children? ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಏರಿಯಾವನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎನಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ is known as neighborhood. Dear children, there are many places are found near our house or around our house. These places gives very important and very useful services to us. The places around our house, the area around our house gives very important and useful services to us. These services make our neighborhood better to live in. These services make our neighborhood better to live in. There are so many houses, buildings, shops, and market, bank, school. These are all found our neighborhood. Got it, children? These are all found our neighborhood. Got it? What is neighborhood? Got it, children? Okay. Next we go to neighbors. What is neighbors? Neighbors means people who live in our neighborhood. The people who live in our neighborhood is known as neighbors. Dear children, we are all live with our family in a house, isn't it? We are all live with our family in a houses. Like that, so many peoples and some other peoples live with their family in some other houses, near our houses or around our houses. These people is known as our neighbors. Got it, children? These people is known as our neighbors. The people who lived near or around our house is known as neighbors. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು ವಾಸವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜನರನ್ನ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ನೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆರೆಹೊರೆಯವರು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ, ನೆರೆಹೊರೆಯವರು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ದಿಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅವರ್ ನೈಬರ್ಸ್. Dear children, neighbors play an important role in our social lives. Got it, children? These neighbors play an important role in our social lives. It is when we got good neighbors. It is very important to we have good neighbors. It makes our life pleasant. When we got good neighbors, our life become better, isn't it? It is very important to we have good neighbors. We should help the neighbors, isn't it, children? It is very important to we should help our neighbors. And these neighbors makes our life better, isn't it? These neighbors make our life better. So we share the things with them, and we should help our neighbors is very important. Got it, children? What is neighbors and what is neighborhood? Got it? Next we go to public places. What is mean of public places? Places that are open to everyone. Places that are open to everyone. Dear children, there are many places in our neighborhood. These places are open and accessible to public. These places are open or accessible to public means everyone. All people. Public means all people. Got it? It's open for everyone or open for public. It's known as public places. Got it, children? There are many places in our neighborhood. These places are open and accessible means ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ. accessible means ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. Got it, children? Open for each and everyone or all the people or public. Got it? These places is known as public places. What are that places? That places are school, market, hospital, post office, police station, and so on. Let me see one by one. Okay, children. First one, school. School. There are school in the neighborhood. Children study and our teachers teach us many things at school. The children are go to school, isn't it? Children means you people. You go to school. Why? You learn so many things in this school. You learn about writing, reading, and playing, and so many things. You also learn about good manners also, isn't it, children? So it is very important to we have school in our neighborhood. Got it? The school is open and accessible for every children, isn't it? The school is accessible for every children. This is known as public place. Our neighborhood, it is better to we have our neighborhood a school, isn't it? School mane hatra idre better alva, isn't it? Okay. Next we go to market. Market. A market is an important place in the neighborhood. There are many shops in a market. We go to these shops to buy things of daily needs like fruits, vegetables, and groceries. The children, market is a very busy place. We are all need market, our neighborhood. It's very useful to us. The market has so many shops. We can purchase so many things from the market. Fruits, vegetables, clothes, groceries, toys, machineries, and so on. We can buy all these materials or all these things to the market. So it's very helpful, isn't it, children? It is very busy place. Market is a very busy place. There are so many shops like medical shop, cloth shop, and grocery shops, fancy store, like that. So many shops are established in the market and we can buy the things from the market. Got it, children? Okay, children. I hope all of you understood about neighborhood, neighbors, public place. The public places are school, market. Got it? Okay, children. This is enough for today. I will continue it next class. Okay?